Welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Resport wireless earbuds. These are the latest Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds with touch control and hi-fi 3D stereo sound and have a built-in microphone, and they come with a beautiful nice small charging case. So let's open the box and see what's inside. We get in total 3 pairs of ear cups and a nice small standard micro USB charging cable. The ear cups are easily exchangeable and guarantee for a perfect fit. The standard micro USB cable is short and very efficient. We also get a nice travel bag for additional protection. We also get a small user manual which explains everything for your needs. Here again the product specifications which confirm a standby time of up to 3 months. The battery of the earbuds have a capacity of 50 milliampere hours each, so means a total of 100 milliampere hours, and so they can be charged about 4.5 times with the case. They also come with a 12 months warranty and a 45-day return or exchange service period. The protective and charging case is easy to open with a push to the one side, so you have access to the earbuds right away. The earbuds come with a nice, firm, flat fit and hold as long as you pick the right size of the ear cups. After putting the earbuds into your ears, you have to rotate them to provide them a perfect and flat fit. So as long as they have a great fit, they sit absolutely secure, so you can use them for any kind of sports, jogging, cycling, whatever you want. If you push the button on the right side, it will indicate the charge of the cradle itself, and you can activate the charge of the earbuds with one push and stop the charge with 2 pushes. The unique design of the charging cradle prevents of misplacing them, so it's not possible to put the left earbud on the right side or put the right earbud on the left side. You will feel there's no way to put them in, only when they have a perfect fit. And this also guarantees you, when you take them out, move them to the right side, you always have the right earbud on the right side, the left earbud on the left side. To open the case is really super easy. It's just push on the push button, pull the earbuds out to the right side and take them out of the cradle, and they will automatically turn on and go into connection mode, where you can connect them to your mobile phone. You don't have to push on the earbuds another time. Just go to your mobile phone, open the settings, Bluetooth settings, and connect with JH9106, and usually you won't need a pin. If you need one, it's 4 times 0. The LEDs on the side will show you when you are charging with red, and with blue when the first earbud is fully charged, and with the second blue light when the second earbud is fully charged. These earbuds are really beautiful, lightweight, and seem to be very sturdy. And the huge advantage is they don't have any real buttons. They have just these sensor buttons, and they work on both sides with different options, so they have really many functions. These earbuds were working absolutely reliable the whole time. The only exception was a disconnected left earbud indicated by red blue blinking, and there's an easy way to resolve this by pressing the button for 6 seconds to make a total reset. I have also been testing the bass capabilities, and I can assure you that they really have a deep bass as long as you have a perfect fit in your ears. I have also tested the microphone capabilities, and you will hear the test now. Audio test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for me this is an absolute decent quality for a Bluetooth headset. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like to order this nice Bluetooth headset, you can click on the link in the description. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.